Hello, today we will guide you through how to cancel Ryanair flights online. In this walkthrough, we'll show you exactly where to go on the Ryanair website to find the cancellation options, along with helpful tips so you know what to expect before you proceed. Start by opening your browser and heading to the official Ryanair website. You can use a computer or a mobile device. If you're asked to pick a country or language, choose the one that matches your booking. Let the homepage load fully so all menus and support links appear correctly. If any cookie or notification banner pops up, clear it so it doesn't cover the footer we're about to use. From the homepage, scroll all the way to the bottom. The footer is where Ryanair keeps key support resources. You're looking for the Help Center link. This is the central hub for booking policies, self-service tools, and answers to common questions, including cancellations. Click Help Center. The Help Center opens in a new page with categories that group support topics. Here, find and select the Booking Changes category. This section covers changing itineraries, names, dates, and, importantly for this guide, information on canceling a flight. Once you're on the Booking Changes page, scroll down to view all the available articles and tools. You should see guidance related to changing or canceling a flight and links that direct you to the appropriate self-service options. Take a moment to read the article titles. Ryanair updates wording from time to time, but the cancellation information will be clearly labeled or included within the Booking Changes content. Here you can change or cancel a flight. The page will outline what's possible for your fare type, any applicable fees, and circumstances that affect refunds or credits. Have your booking reference and the lead passenger details handy, as you may be asked for them when you proceed. Pay close attention to timelines, as some options are only available within specific windows. If you purchased extras like seats or bags, check how those are treated when a flight is canceled, since policies may differ. When you initiate a cancellation from the options provided, follow the on-screen prompts and review the summary carefully before confirming. After you finish, look out for a confirmation message or email and keep it for your records. If you don't immediately see what you need, continue scrolling within Booking Changes. You'll also find policy explanations and links that clarify next steps. And that's it. By using the Help Center's Booking Changes section, you'll get the most accurate, up-to-date path to cancel your Ryanair flight online.